Here at Ghassan Aboud Used Cars, we care about our customers' health and safety through these challenging times. That's why we have implemented high standards of protective measures to ensure that you and your loved ones are safe as you drive away with your new ride. The cars coming in go through 3 major steps of deep cleaning: interior detail, exterior detail, and disinfection. During the interior detailing process, we make sure that all corners inside the car are cleaned thoroughly to completely kill all microorganisms, viruses, and bacteria deep inside every orifice of the car. While the interior is being treated as such, a spotless cleaning process is also happening outside. Multiple steps of exterior detailing are done to bring out the car's timeless beauty at every angle. And last but not the least, every car undergoes a thorough disinfection process. We have invested in state-of-the-art equipment to ensure that every airborne illnesses, germs, and bacteria are completely wiped out as you make your first step inside the car. Now that the car is ready, all we need is you to check it out and drive it home. Stay safe, and we'll see you very soon.